After personally navigating the frustrating Android storage, full error, and meticulously testing numerous solutions, I've uncovered definitive methods that genuinely resolve this persistent issue, and I'm eager to share these effective strategies with you right now. This isn't just theory, these are practical, tested solutions. First, we tackle clearing app cache and data. Many applications accumulate temporary files and cached images over time, bloating their footprint. Clearing this cache doesn't delete essential app data but frees up significant space by removing transient information that the app can easily regenerate, effectively reducing the app's overall storage consumption without impacting user experience. Next, identifying and deleting large files is crucial because oversized media, downloads, or documents often consume gigabytes unnoticed. Directly targeting these massive culprits, which are often single files like long videos or large archives, provides an immediate and substantial reduction in used storage, freeing up space that no amount of cache clearing could achieve. Then, managing photos and videos is essential for long-term storage health. High-resolution media files are notorious space hogs. By backing them up to cloud services or transferring them to external storage, you remove the original large files from your device, retaining access without sacrificing local capacity. This offloads the biggest storage burden to more suitable platforms. Finally, uninstalling unused apps is a fundamental step. Each application, even when idle, occupies space with its core files and data. Removing applications you no longer need not only frees up their installation footprint but also prevents them from generating new cache or data, ensuring that your device's resources are dedicated only to what you actively use. These methods collectively target different facets of storage consumption, offering a comprehensive approach to keep your Android running smoothly and free from storage limitations.